Victorinox Swiss Army Knife Soldier. I don't see any fingerprints, so that's the Victorinox Soldier knife. Logo here, the grip here is more grippy. Screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver. Oh, there's the reamer too, the left hand. Okay, the blade, this is the number here, 22, made in 2022, Victorinox Swiss made. Markings there, and 22 the year, and nothing on the other side. The serrated blade, I'm a bit afraid to feel it. You have this normal edge here, and then this might be a little bit harder to sharpen, but it's much easier to cut, to close it like that. To unlock it, really interesting, very powerful. That's the can opener. There should be the saw. Yeah. Okay. The saw on the Soldier 110, and then I can close it. The satisfying clonk. Just trying to be careful with my fingers around the